In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix invite a collaborator, which is not showing on your Instagram account. So make sure that your Instagram account is updated. And let's open our account, and you may go to choose any picture that you want to see how to invite a collaborator. For example, this one. Click next on it, and then click next again. And then in here, you can click on tag people, and then you'll be able to see that button or option for you to invite collaborators by tapping it and just typing their names over here or their usernames. However, if this is not showing on your account, you may go to your settings on your phone, on your iPhone, and then you can tap on your iPhone storage and then just go and see the Instagram. Now, if you're using an Android, you may clear the cache and reinstall your app. So in here, let's try to deactivate and reinstall once again the application, and maybe this way, after loading the Instagram, it will automatically be available on your account. However, if it's still not showing on your account, all you have to do is just to wait for the updates from Instagram until it becomes available in your place. So if you find this helpful, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe.